Hi guys! How are you, my friends? I haven't been posting as frequently because it is our busy season around here. We have lots of weddings and editing happening, as well as we resumed in-person meetings, and that's super exciting. And then Memorial is always, of course, a busy time of year for Jehovah's Witnesses. So thought I'd finish up my makeup here with you and tell you hello. Also, I wanted to mention we have different formulas of foundation, which I know I've shared before. I prefer the CC Creme, but recently a couple people have asked me about the Creme to Powder foundation. And I honestly didn't have a lot to say other than what I've read about it because I've never tried it. So I thought, you know, I should probably try it. So I did, and that's what I'm wearing today. And I have to say, it goes on really nice. It's got good full coverage, which I like. I usually am like a minimal coverage kind of girl, and I like a dewy look, and this is definitely a more matte look. But I like it. It doesn't feel heavy at all, even though it's full coverage, and the colors are beautiful. So if you haven't tried it and you want something really full coverage, like today, I'm gonna be on Zoom probably all day. And so I'll be on camera all day. So I figured, oh, full coverage is really good for that. Normally in my everyday, I would just wear my CC Creme because it has my SPF and it's really soft and dewy, and but it doesn't last all day. And this is really, it's called Endless Performance. It is supposed to stay on all day. So, so that's really cool. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day.